Hello. 3 ways to say hello in Korean. 안녕, 안녕, 안녕. Say to kids or close friend. 안녕하세요, 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 안녕하세요. To anybody, okay? 안녕하십니까, 안녕하십니까, 안녕하십니까. You want to show some respect, more respect. Number 3, to older people. When you show some more respect, okay? Number 2, 3, both are okay. You could say to elders, this one too. Yeah? 안녕 to kids. 안녕 to your close friend. Okay? 안녕하세요 to anybody. 안녕하십니까? You want to more respect. You want to show more respect to somebody. You could say 안녕하십니까? 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 안녕 젠다. 안녕 알렉스. 안녕하세요 teacher. 안녕하세요 doctor. 안녕하십니까? professor. 안녕하십니까? Very older people. Means hello. Practice. This is the safe word, okay? Today's goal, 시옷. Here, 시옷. This is not 시옷, 시옷. Mostly d, t sound, but in some way it has s sound. I'll show you. 시옷, 시옷, 시옷. 첫 means first. 소리 is sound. 첫 소리. First sound. s. It's not s, not, no. s. This is the sound. 끝, 소리 means last sound. 으. Let's practice with vowel. 사. 샤. 서. 셔. 소. 쇼. 수. 슈. 스. 시. We don't say si. No. She. Okay? 새. It's like a bird. 쉐. When you say shadow, you could use this one. 쉐. 새. 1, 2, 3. 새. When you say 새 means 1, 2, 3. The third one. 쉐. Similar sound. Make it one syllable. 쏴. 쇠. Similar. 소. It's not easy to me either. 쉐. Sounds similar, right? But different syllable. She. She. We don't have these words. We don't use this kind. These are maybe for foreign language. We don't use this one, okay? But I'm showing you the sound. She. Similar, okay? Here, let's practice words. 산, 스, 아, 느, 산수. Here, 산수. Do you know why I put H here? This is a sound. I want to make sure this is a sound. Some words don't have H here. But when you see without H, when people read this one, sen. No, it's not sen. In Korean, 사, 안, 산. Okay, this is a sound. 산수. Seen. 시식. It's not seasick. No. 시식. Don't try not to try to read like an English. It's not 시식, no. 시식, taste. 산수, seen. 시식, taste. First sound with do or to is the less sound. I'll show you sound after this, okay? The next practice page. 손상, damage. Not, it's this sound, right? 쇠, not 쇠, not swear. Make it one syllable. 쇠, okay? Not swear, breath. 수유읒, should, okay? Y make a double syllable, okay? Double vowel. This is u, but yu means you, so should. It's not t, could be t sound, but mostly we aware this one this sound, okay? Should. Don't try to sound, but English is a shut. 쇠신. Not 쇠, similar sound. 쇠신. Not swear. 쇠신, okay? Reform. 쇠신. Pronounce hard, I know, but try not to read like an English. 쇠신. Reform. 손상, damage. Not 쇠, breath. Should, shut. 쇠신, reform. mat. This is a sound, okay? That's why I want to make sure, that's why I put H here. Mat. Mostly they have no H. So mat, it's not mad, okay? Taste. Hear the difference. S sound comes here. The separately, this is mat e, okay? Mat e. But when you read together, mashi, taste. The consonant, the last consonant meets the first vowel, it changed to sound, the consonant sound, changed to consonant sound. That's why the separately you read mat e, but the consonant meets the first vowel, it changes to consonant sound, okay? So mashi, same meaning, taste. 맛이 좋아요. Tastes good. 맛이 좋아요. Taste is good. If you want to say like this, okay? The consonant meets vowel, the letter sound changes to consonant sound, okay? So separately you read mat e, but when you read together, 맛이, taste. I hope you understand and practice slowly. Thank you for watching. See ya.